Well, it was painful, but it's not something that I think about every day. It's just that's basketball, that's life. You move beautifully. He's so unselfish. He fits right in with Steph and Draymond and Clay, Andre. I mean, he's a passer, he's a playmaker, he's a scorer. I remember that year well. We started out. I think we won 61 games after we had won 72 and 69 the previous 2 years. For anybody. The first year when we won it, 2 years ago, was so exciting for us, for our fans. It's that third year.
That was legit.
That was so after the first 2 years, 96 and 97, when we won the titles, that they were talking with Scotty.
Cool, thank you.